Hello guys, welcome back with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Wall Street ends choppy session higher with focus firmly on Fed. Reuters Wall Street's main indexes and a seesaw session higher on Monday as investors turned their attention to this week's policy meeting at the Federal Reserve and how aggressively it will hike interest rates. Even more so than the Ukraine war or corporate earnings, the actions of the United States Central Bank are driving market sentiment as traders try to position themselves for a rising interest rate environment. The S&P 500 and the Nasdaq rebounded from logging their worst weekly percentage drop since June on Friday, as markets fully priced in at least a 75 basis point rise in rates at the end of Fed's September 20 until 21 policy meeting, with Fed funds futures showing a 15% change of a moving 100 basis points increase. Unexpectedly, hot August inflation data last week also raised based on increased rate hikes down the road, with the terminal rate for United States Fed funds now at 4.46%. This is all about what's going to happen on Wednesday and what comes out of the Fed's hands on Wednesday, so I think people are just going to wait and see until then, said Josh Markman, partner at Bel Air Investment Advisors. We had a poor print when the CPI came in, so the Fed is behind the eighth ball, is now trying to get ahead of the curve and curb inflation, and that awareness is driving equity market, reflecting the caution for new bets ahead of the Fed meeting. Just 9.58 million shares traded on United States exchange on Monday, the sixth lightest day for trading volumes this year. Focus will also be on new economic projectors due to be published alongside the Fed's policy statement at 2 p.m. ET on Wednesday. Worries of Fed tightening have dragged the S&P 500 down 18.2% this year, with a recent their earnings report from delivery firms FedEx Corp, NYSE, FDX, and inverted United States Treasury yield curve, and warnings from the World Bank and the IMF about an impending global economic slowdown, adding to the worst. Goldman Sachs NYSE GS cut its forecast for 20 and 23 United States GDP last on Friday as it projects a more aggressive Fed and says that pushing the jobs rate higher than it previously expected. That is going to be interesting part, said Bel Air Marker. The Nasdaq Composite at 86.62 points or 0.76 points. A majority of the 11 S&P 500 sectors rose. One exception was healthcare, down 0.6% as it was weighed by a fall in shares of vaccine maker Moderna. Nasdaq mRNA Inc. a day after President Joe Biden said in a CBS interview that the pandemic is over. Industrial stocks rebounded 1.4% after a sharp drop on Friday, while banks gained 1.9%. Tech heavyweights Apple Inc. Nasdaq APL and Tesla Nasdaq TSLA Inc. rose 2.5% and 1.9% respectively, to provide the biggest boost to the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq. Take to Nasdaq WTWO Interactive Software in Inc. closed up 0.7%, having recovered from a slump earlier in the day caused by confirmation that the hacker had leaked the early footage and of Grand Theft Auto 5, the next installment of the best-selling video game. Meanwhile, now before Inc. jumped 28.2% to 22.17, its highest closing since May 4, after the cybersecurity firms say that Vista Equity Partners had offered to take it private for 24 per share. Valuing the company at 4.22 billion, the S&P 500 posted on one new 52-week high and 28 new lows. The Nasdaq Composite recorded 29 new highs and 378 new lows. I think that's all from me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.